without exaggerating. You can get 2 of these at the right place and 6 beers for $5. I'm going to change my seat and just relax. Happiness in a roll. And they're so light. I could easily eat 3 of these in one sitting. No problem. So this one was 29k. If you step on out of the city, you can get a lot of these for 15, 20, even 10 if it's just a pate one. Awesome. Done. Let's move on. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Sorry, okay.
And also there's beer everywhere. There's no shortage of beer. Something more out. All right, where are we going? What are we doing? Google's your friend. Other than 2:15 is to go to Beer Street. It's early, but is it too early for a beer? Never. 150. Pretty much all this stuff's on par with Kathmandu. Oh. I went to Vietnam and I got this jacket and I was like, yeah, whatever. Some of the takeoff stuff, some of the copies last a long time. Thank these. Maybe I was wearing this stuff when I was 15. Yeah? And Stussy in Australia was very expensive. I like this. I like that one. Super warm inside. Thank you, brother. Then it's, where am I? Just wait. That's a good shot. Oh, it's next to, I don't eat too much, man. Just keep it light. More room for beer. There's another thing to watch out for. Like if you go into a shoe shop like that, I wasn't going to show you, but I will show you one. What they can be likely to do is pass you a pair of shoes, you'll try it on, you'll do everything, then they'll go, oh, we'll go at the back and get your size. And what they do is they switcheroo the shoes. So the one, scam number 4060. Oh, coffee. I sort of need coffee.
This one? Yeah.
I said they got their own Weasel coffee. Then you got the Indo one, which I saw, which is the Coffee Lawak. Alright. Traditional coffee. Done. Wait that whole time for that real quick. I just yelling. Coffee. Big shopper. Big shopper. Big shopper. So. He was pointing at my shoes. I'm like, yeah, they're pretty good, eh? I could smell that durian before I saw it, which is pretty common. Down here, across here. Oh yeah, see, look. Bar me, 20,000. That's why there's everybody. Oh, I can smell the coconut coffee. You know what happened at Beer Street? Hey, look out. So yeah, don't keep asking me why do you like it. Look out. Make sure you look before you cross the road. Don't do what I do. There's cars going forward, there's cars reversing. You gotta look everywhere, man. Look everywhere. Goodness. Look at all these bonsais over here. Look at this building. Hello. Hello. So nice. I thought this was a marijuana sign. Look. So he's selling big filthy buds there. Get out of town. Local craft beer. And if this place is the place I just walked past before, I've just done another bloody loop. So craft beer is obviously going to be your most expensive. For one beer there, for one pint, I can go and buy 10 cans. So if that gives you a little bit of an idea. But I'm lost walking around in circles and it's thirsty work. I just said to a guy before, I'm just walking around in circles, and he goes, I know, I'm doing the same thing. So that's probably the cheapest foot massage that I've seen, and then there's girls also. So $300, $15 an hour. Oh yeah, barn bow. I happened to mention there are a lot of tourists. Everybody's working, everybody's doing something. I've already walked down here twice. And that guy with the... Alright, now we're talking. This is what we're looking for.
Thanh niên. Áo đấy bao tiền một cái à? Đây. 250. Không kém à?
This is where bargains happen. This is where you want to be. This is the goodness. Seems to mainly be bras and knickers, which is not really up my alley, if you know what I mean. Lazy. Okay. Heaps of craft beer places. Right, more than I ever remembered, that's for sure. Yeah, so it's 80, 120 for a pint. 126 bucks for a pint. Not bad. So we can watch the world go by. Got a lot of seedy alleyway massage places here. Gonna get a massage. Oh, mango steams. Oh, here it is. Here's the place, but it is. I might just go to this one up here. Oh, massage! Oh, I gotta get beer first. Local beers. Yeah. So that's 60. We'll have two, 120. It was off its dial. Good if I had, wasn't just me and I had friends. I like it. These guys are pretty cool. They got a good vibe. They're not pushy. Alright, opposite me. And there. That's where we're gonna go. It's only 3 o'clock. Ah. He was like, yeah. Hey, selling everything. Their sister. Just give him a tip, like Saigon stubbies. Let's hunt down.
Yeah, that's all BG food.
Oh, I've just had about 10 beers, brother.
One beer, sir?
It gets pumping to the point that it is hip and shoulder. You cannot move. You will not be able to move. Trust me. I mean, up and down here, up and down. I'll come up and I'll come back down. I haven't got very far. All right, police are coming through. All the illegal shops, illegal street seating. And this is where the whole invention way back in 60s, 70s come in about the low plastic stools. They were light, they were convenient, they were easy to move. When the police moved through, then they put them all back out in the street. But they all pay their thing. Is in Nepal, Thailand, it's everywhere. Same thing. Just here is more intense. Locked up all their chairs. They can come through here, and then it comes through here at 12 p.m. because this place will Oh, policeman.
I would stay out of it. We are okay with that because the screen here, they do not allow.
Police are still on their mission. All right. Here they are. They're back again. Hasn't even been an hour. No, you got to get inside. It's not even 1 hour.
Oh, they didn't give any money.
They didn't get the money.
And they push me in. Don't take 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Because it takes me up.
Hello everybody, this one my channel. Yeah, the Blue Bar channel. Yeah. This one Mr. No hair. and this one Mr. He might be no hair. Mr. Hat. He has a hat on.
It's much hair.
Much hair. Yeah, Mr. Hat. I am Ali. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, put that on YouTube.
Shoot you. Shoot you.
Good
face.
Oh, hey yo, what's up, Ara?
Yeah. Next week we get married. No problem.
She'd be a great wife.
But I don't have ring.
I don't know. She's a top girl, I guess.
Yeah. Follow me and
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, that's how.
talk with me. Talk with me.
Việc phải được cái, quả điếu được cái.
Go, let go.
So handsome.
There you go. You give me your coconut. Oh, sugar cane.
And bank.
Oh, amazing. Very good. Thank you. Tourist place.
She was a legend.
She's a legend.
Yeah, I went to
I think it's the police. Next side.
Oh shit. Oh look out.
Ah, shit!
Ha-cha!
Where am I? Welcome, brother. See you later. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, sweet. Me, how many people? Three. Three people. Okay, let me check. Let me check.
Oh yeah, please.
I can move. Okay, you are stay.
Good man. Outside. Yeah, always outside.
Happy table.
You're a good man.
Private balcony.
Thank you very much. What a menu.
We're good.
The menu's a killer.
Come on.
Oh, incredible. They're not kicking us out, but we're gonna leave. All right, we're gonna head home. I met some awesome people. Oh, the police are up there. All right, that's a wrap, guys. That's a little mission on Hanoi, and now, geez, I've got to work out how I'm going to get back into my hotel because I don't know.
It's maybe the code.
There's no code box. What do you mean? Mama, come, guys. She knows because she saw me on the camera.
Big gates, like.
They're gonna let the light. All right, diggers. That is quite a massive wrap on 12:30 a.m. Thank you very much. Catch you later.